Middle Ages.
In Galicia,
The Vikings.
the monasteries,
The beginnings of the Camino de Santiago, and so on. The Vikings were part of the Scandinavian region. In Northern Europe, Norway,
Wehrmacht.
they were sailors and explorers, and were very good at building sailing ships. Their ships were called drakar and could sail on rivers and seas. Yes, and many were adorned with snakes
Or dragon heads.
Vikings had many European towns in the 9th century, including A Coruña, Vigo, Padrón, and Santiago de Compostela. They had many people and stole many things
Of gold and silver.
Fortifications were built to defend ourselves. The walls
Of Catoira.
are an example. Every year in August, there's a festival in Catoira. Several monasteries were founded in Galicia. We have the monasteries of Sobrado, Monfero, and Cadeiro. Books were copied there.
The rite in the Scriptorium.
The ministers and troubadours entertained the people. The troubadours composed. Ministers danced, juggled, play games. In the elder Middle Ages, people began to make a pilgrimage to Santiago de Compostela. Initially, it was a religious journey, but today it's a cultural tour. People from all over the world come to Santiago de Compostela.